Yeah man, I say mahora kwete bo, mahora kwete vijana, kwete segunyepa. Yeah, 2023, 2023, 20 Jordan we here. Life in a living color, we say everything bright and beautiful, light and colorful is so straight thin. Yeah man, remember everything we do, we have put Lord God first. Can we say we are black and proud. We don't worship Sullivan God, but we will praise the Almighty Father God straight thin. So right about now I say greetings in the mighty divine name of His Emperor, Major Temporal Haile King Selassie the first, the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, ever living, ever loving, ever people, never sure. I say blessed is the man who walked not in the castle of ungodliness, in the ways of sinners, for he shall represent his house, sin right hand of His Almighty. Hold on, man, Haile King Selassie, you Rastafari. I say blessed love, blessed light, manners and respect all the time. Straight saying, hey man, who no people, I mean them ho. MC Mashasha, MC Nyanzi, I the microphone bomber like champion. Yeah man, I the one done, I the #1 African gunman. Straight saying, the worst your monster. Back to back DJ Eze. Remember when I rush it, yeah man, we started pan the Eze thing straight saying. So right about our selector, we did a rhythm of our code, the chance given rhythm straight saying, take it, my water kwete bo shoot. Introducing what the killer right now.
Wewe inolati chitunkonyo Wanda bando pinani nubaya mitono Ipapo abadiwe mbonondo Londo wakura mazino Renias, nilifishias Aiwa atu nabaya fairas Aiwa paningoma katangara Senjara yo onoguna
Yeah man, tell him again. If the tune is nice, I will play twice more. Tune after the other, that's the order straight saying. Ma order kwete bo, kick it like a boy. Why am I noisy? I read him done by who? Best choice music. Yeah man, blah blah stuff. Take it. Yeah man, blah Maccah Dian. Must be with them.
I want paningoma katangara senjara yo onoguna papenda kana mukana bagala baide wala uyu afe sesime weda kutishikwe ani ona baide kana mukana bagala baide wala uyu afe sesime weda
the man got busting on me shoulder, I don't can done that. Manager ready as I there. The man got advisor carry. So what's the one? When John Master them there? John Master. What you think? Mama teacher for. Don't play no more like a wall on there, father. Yeah man, I will take time to say yeah man, great is great because everything great is good and correct. I don't know. Remember we sing on a local but it's global and international because it's already done special. Yeah man, introducing a brand new rhythm. Yeah man, called the chance given rhythm straight saying Drum Master introducing now.
I must have on this year's heart. Don't go doubt. Then on the body pin the second get out. And in the time, and in the
I'm gonna tell him again now. We are back here.
That we are never ready. But I best funny.
Music with the meaning, music with the feeling. Music with the teaching. Music with the healing. We not gonna say now. Just pull off that shoulder and back and balance. Yeah man, tonight's been a back along taking them to there. But I'll just make the music do the tagging straight then. Introducing a thing called what? Just give a reading straight. Yeah, man, bro, skinny. One side forever. He's there. Yeah, man, big up Alvaro, a.k.a. Baluba. Fire to the dance, a.k.a. who? Uncle Katie. Yeah, man, big up Bonnie, a.k.a. the Chip Down. Straight out of the microphone, champion. Remember, you never the other, that's the order. So we're doing tonight. I will say good and better.
Maccah tickets na bago. Ano wani tolera munu wangu. Wawacha unoru mwane mako. Ninotenda baba matapakuru. Abana madiki nina bamukuru. Mangira baba na baba mkuru.
Yeah, man, board and bread. In all the streets of Cheetown. I'm here calling the Spanish town, I don't know. Get where me come from and proud of it. Introducing a surprise artist. Listen to the lyrics. Listen easy, fella. Yeah, man. Remember me, it's the ghetto teacher straight saying MC Mashasha, the microphone champion. I'm here take time here, man, to introduce the fresh blood. Yeah, man, I'm here uplift the talent them straight saying. Remember we not kill champion, but we build champion straight saying. Yeah, man, I say one end, wash the other, so we are do it pan the ghetto. Yeah, man, easy way I mean now. Pull up that tune one more time again, back and balance. Man, what a good table. Remember, yeah, man, go Maccah, Dian. If you are listening to this mixtape, I just want you to say one. Yeah, man, remember superstar after superstar. Bad is money. So right tomorrow, women active the year. We're real master. One more time again. Press play. Yeah, man, I'm in love with this artist I don't know. And it's called Real Master. Yeah, man, bad and dangerous. Fast and furious. Yeah, man, can me tell them again. We are God bless. Some are afraid of whatever say or whatever we do. Some are say Jah always guide and protect. Blessings, man, have a blessing. Tell them again. Took after the other. Introducing a youth called Roll. Jumping. What the hell? I don't know how far true is it. But the first I got him with Jolo. As I get to my own incredible. Watch your mix. 1 time. Watch your mix. 2 time. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, I love you. I need you. I miss you. I don't like you. You know that I said my fault too.
Yeah man, back to my head. Yeah man, this got to be the favorite artist and a favorite tune for this great man. Maccah and his artist.
You me love, you me love, you me love.
Settle them to the wall and there for that. Yeah man, I will tell him again. Remember, love is lovely. Yeah man, love is a beautiful thing. In the air, I will say fling, straight sin. But remember, sometimes love is pain, which no doctor can explain. It tackles the heart and affects the brain, same is true. But yeah man, love is lovely, love is a beautiful thing. Why am I now? Love journey,
I love you. I need
yeah, man,
you.
I need you.
You know that I my fault too. I want to be your team. Don't go to me,
I will say one love, one aim, one game, one family.
You me love. Dana weba nenda ativa. Kati bururu ke set up. Uriti bobe bika chanda karisiva. Amanga shepting, belting, louting. Siva kutu niwe want to know that.
Yeah man, I don't know one to them for the gates for the year. Until we have to play them games. Yeah man, you have it right. Yeah man, remember talking about a Riddim code war. The chance given Riddim straight saying. Yeah man, I will take time to uplift the ghetto youth. Yeah man, I will mix up the thing. Old and new.
Mami, Muridav, Nawari,
DJ Easy, yeah man. It's all about a brand new thing, yeah man. We introduced from the ghetto straight then. Yeah man, I'm here say me as the ghetto teacher, I'm here take this special time, yeah man, to introduce a brand new rhythm straight out of First Choice Records straight then. I think got the chance given rhythm straight. Yeah man, big up, yeah man, big up man like Tim, BMA, yeah man. Big up boss in on me there. Big up manager Renius. Yeah man, big up advisor Tadia, you don't know. I will say the thing set up, straight up, and correct straight saying. Wefa T and ho, Rodney remember man Gallis. Ladies my love. Kula, donoso, uri paino kila bunza muri. Paino kula chini chumula. Uri puani mbetendo kula. Shiru kada akapela mutu. Insamula. Tiwe wande no daskala. Nerudo kono nipando kuti. Yaman bwa fasta Gallis. Yaman bwa boss pilani. Straight up to Epwet Solani. Nerudo kono nipando kuti kana. Usaende kure kachana. So right on. Introducing a body children. You can team after. Just listen to the lyrics. Zimbabwe, where we come from. Zimbabwe, Africa, straight. Town, Spanish town. We there. So right about you know what I'm going to say, DJ? It's a visa. Introducing Backside.
kurona natsimba yakabati kugogera mutsinga iyana kudamtolo zinemari
azumjolo wanetsa
sichakupinga buda ndipinda
kile akapinda
shinga ndipinda
Maccah overpinda haya kuti tachibuda mambo baluba chipinda mahora kwetebo sela mshwile wangu sefara yeah man pull up
how you gonna you know what now you dig your link fan visa
I want you to listen to the lyrics. Listen to the storyline. Them a go timpanas.
Yana kudamtolo zinemarinda kusakutikana sichakupinga buda ndipindao pinda ndipindao shinga ndichingeao simba nditimbeo
Them a go kill the shamba Milan.
Wana wangu fakundeo
Jumara Say Jimbola out of Gaza chipinge. Them a go boss malaza family.
Bakana masipo undi makanika makuna kuna chaiwe msalisha misao atobari kana ni murodi patino bondo
The thing I tell of mad
kunyangira na mai
better than bad like soldiers in Baghdad. Mad Riddim Show me some mad signal. Mad signal. Yeah man, I will chat to the pretty kitty. The ladies now. And some Mashasha and Daguzi Chincha.
Era kurandani anzi uchimuda vese vachichambuka zvikanzi era kurandani anoda inini chete anoda inini chete anoda inini chete
chakuti special mention to DJ Fantasy. Yeah, man, so right up on introducing you.
anoda inini chete chakuti ani chete
Yeah, man, bro, choose what family any day. I will say family. You are going to use DJ Smash. Blessings. MC Tifa. Yeah, man, go DJ MJE. Big up Tina, man. Too much out to USA.
Pandemona icon kunza waleta pamutara wakakamanyisa nemachiti ndakamburambidza zvekupfeka mamisketi ndaisazia aisakafana neti
We are born and bred in the Spanish town. Yeah man, remember DJ East for the ones and twos. So right about all DJ East. Are you ready to start? Watch it. My one like with the boys. Remember, we had to take time to balance the thing of street scene. Yeah, man, I will say gender equality. Yeah, man, I could have never play this mixtape and never play a lady tune street scene. Remember, man, I got this from day one. So I balance the thing of the street scene. Takambu kanda gashi my face. So that one chimoko. My face one chimoko. Yeah, man, so the thing I go balance of street scene. I was not saraganda. Tukuti vesi waskana go up in the Riddim. Name my face to balance mazia. Kick it again for that. Introducing one of the baddest female vocalist tracks out of Zimbabwe. Take on always where we come from. I'm in love with this tune. Yeah, man, an artist called who? Moons we not share. Watch out for this artist straight. He's there. Yeah, man, remember it's all about that thing where we call the war. Chance given Riddim Straight saying I read them. Yeah, man, produced and done by who? Maccah Dian, aka Moons. We were then back to back DK Straight saying. Yeah, man, it's all about First Choice Record Straight saying. For more information about First Choice Straight saying, contact us on 077 693 696. Again, 077 693 696. Yeah, man. Or contact us for 0771 yeah, man, 44 8938. Yeah, man, again 0 yeah, man, 77 144 8938. Straight saying. Yeah, man, big up Black Boy. Yeah, man, it's all about the Holy Mountain. Yeah, man, Holy Mountain Mariah. Yeah, man, out to UK, London, but we look down like cheater.
Sounding, you big up TKs, Maccah Dian. Tinoshandarisatira buda zuva, ukada kurara inokutiza nguva. Mumwe akuma mirira yako nguva, ukazvipa pressure unozviisa mukhuva. MaZimbabwenzi tinobatanidza, zvakaoma kudaro tinotwiringidza. Kushanda pabasa peimarafuza, nyika toida tosimudza mureza. Tiri vana vemuAfrica, tirikuzama kungwavha tinosvika. Tengesa madomasi pamusika.
Zimbabwe, Africa, where we come from.
Tiri vana vemuAfrica, tirikuzama kungwavha tinosvika. Kutengesa madomasi pamusika. Tupa dola windi pamusika. Tinoshanda misodzi iri pamatama.
Yeah, man, big up every ghetto you is. No matter where you come from, Barry, Glenview, Udinilo, Mapuku, Fio,
Tinosika, usanire kushanda simba iri mukaka. Namwari zvakaoma zvese zvinosika.
I say mahorra kwete bo, mahorra kwete mbijana, kwete shegonyepa. Remember when MC Mashasha up on the place? I say I bear back a match challenge for your trust strength. I say energy after energy. Yeah, man, I mean the energy God. So I just put the positive energy there in the people's street saying, yeah, man, I'm going to some DJ Easy. I'm see you there. Just give it Riddim. Energy.
Big guys.
Introducing Dian, aka Capital. Introducing Final Festival. And we are live. So we are doing it now. You man go Angle Tito. Big up Dan Naba aka Hot Rubber. Hundi Mukundi the Kangaroo. Big up T-Square. Big up Herbert Outer CK. So right on. Introducing who? That's it. What is the keys now to all? I want to bet them all. Passing out the Kubenga, the Kubenga, the Muga, Kuba, the Kunja, Mutiri, what the Kuba, the Kunja, and the Pelera, and the Passa, Maxi. Don't drink and drive. fully. Full of talent, you make chat about. So right about now, Maccah with them there. Introducing Manager. Tell him again. I'm here tell him say what? Yeah man a real Gallis from there on street. I'm here say ladies me love. Yeah man, big up the pretty kitty, the ladies who are locked on the street is straight saying. I'm here call them the Chincha, Rincha. Yeah man, a new name, yeah man, to the ladies them straight saying. Big up each and every girl listening to this mixtape. I'm here say you're bad and you're beautiful straight saying. It's not just saying what they do with that thing called what? Who are one? I didn't remember the tune now. What is it? As what time you guys want? What am I Mashasha? This is come on, witness. The ladies are shake up them thing there, shake up them bumper. I will say dance yard before you dance abroad. So right about now, you know to sing who? Mashasha. How many artists now? Circle. Yeah man, deep amazed, real meditation when we chat about straight sin. Music with a meaning, music that teaching, music that feeling, and music with the healing. So we had, yeah man, we are dealing with straight sin. Edutainment, entertainment, better big war with education. So we are doing tonight straight sin. Positive vibes. Kick it like about for the way I mean now. My what record about? Listen to the lyrics. Yeah man, life is no easy thing. Life is no easy journey. We have been through a lot of trials and tribulations, ups and downs. But one thing I edge you get to you is be strong, be wise, and never forget to pray. I will say, yeah, I always guide and bless. We are real soldiers. Yeah man, tell him again straight then. It's all about our brand. Sparkling new Riddim called war, the chance given Riddim, yeah man, straight saying. Yeah man, big up of DJ is I miss you there. Love for no can done that day. Yeah man, the worst your most award that of course I'm talking about the one and only MC Mashasha, aka MC Nyanzi, and the microphone champion and the wonder and the #1 African gunman straight saying. Yeah man, big up ho. Yeah man, big up Maccah Dian, aka Moons, we were denga. Yeah man, big up DKs, I mean I say family. Yeah man, I will say one aim, one game, one family straight saying. So right now I'm going to play the last piece. Yeah man, the last tune and we are locked it off straight saying. Why am I not for that?
Wasinakubwana wanocheza sepana nandi baba wemwana
Anzi wasinakubwana wanocheza sepana nandi
Zinosiyana kule mupasa nemuchama Munu wangwari yakarurama Nati zinosiyana kwa
Yamana
Mwe achipasa sama Nati achipana Murungu nemutema
Mela no ujine mawara
Iwe achipana Mkoro pasi koro nejitima Laki nisana nemurima Kusana kwe mamba manema fighting Kusiyana
one more time for that. Yeah man, artist called war. Baba wana. And the other one, Maccah Dian now studio. Play it for the kids.
Wasinakubwana wanocheza sepana nandi baba wemwana. Waya. Boss ino. zvinhu zvinosiyana kune mupasta nemuchama munhu wamwari akarurama ndati zvinosiyana kufara mumwe achichema kufoira mumwe achipasa sama ndati hazvifanane murungu nemutema mutona zikumbare nekudema iwe hazvifanane ngoro pasi koro nechitima mlaiiwe kana nemurima kusiyana kwemambama nemafaiti kusiyana kwesikati nenaiti weoraiti kusiyana kweplenika nekaiti kusiyana kwedoroka nespraiti weoraiti kusiyana kwemambama nemafaiti kusiyana kwesikati nenaiti weoraiti kusiyana kweplenika nekaiti kusiyana kwedoroka nespraiti weoraiti.
Yeah man, I just said the mix done. And we done now. So we want some energy right about all. Man, what are you about? 2023, 20 Jordan with there.
Pama gets up, Patijanira, Pama gets up, Tisveyo, Pama gets up. Tipo panere sejeta pava komana, Pana is up, Patijanira, Pana is up, Tisveyo, Pana is up. Tipo panere sejeta pava komana, Kapo, Papo, is Tolpo.
Okay, Ritza, Warova Lembe, Warova Taking. Asumu Kende, Riddim Bamnini, a DJ Easy, a Pinze Easy. Explainable with that.
Parkuno mira majainti akaenda. No fear, atori jainto zie. Ana cheku kwa tawi, ana fie. Mangomba iwayo wato mutikamie. DJ Easy, smart coolest.
Chenjere, upenyu chenjere, chenjere, fura meso chenjere, chenjere, usatuke shaindira munu wenyama uzivera mangwana. Yeah, that's full, DJ Easy, Easy, Blizzy,